Now everyone, on to the next job on the T1, on the banana bus. We're going to do some repairs to the back of the cab. Usual story, somebody else has been at the bodywork on this, and generally speaking that means that you spend more time faffing around fixing other people's bodges than you do actually repairing existing rot that was there in the first place. So I'll show you what the first protocol is. What I'm doing is I'm doing this part of the cab before I put the back body back on. Just while I've got it off, I might as well get it done and out of the way. So we've got around this chassis rail here to do. We've got just above the prop shaft. I might actually make a bracket that comes off here to protect that, because I think that's from spray coming off the shaft, spraying into the bottom of the cab. That side's all right, that's not too bad at all. Ironically, it's on the side that the diesel tank's on, which is normally the case. It's amazing what that little bit of overspray will do from the diesel tank. I suspect, I'm not entirely sure yet, but it might be worthwhile us just cutting this here and then going across all the way around to here, and then just slicing it into the B pillar and just replacing that whole panel really. I'm not entirely sure if this is original factory, because this normally goes down there, I think. That seam there, that joggled edge, normally goes down there. But I think I'm going to do it like that anyway, because this is rotten out. And I'm still contemplating whether to do a twin tank conversion on this. Unsure at the moment, we'll see how it goes. But if it's got a twin tank, it won't have this panel. Definitely won't have this panel. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, that's one panel that someone's done, if you can call it a panel. And then there's another sort of repair that somebody's done in here. So I'll redo all that. Disconnect the battery, take the battery out, to be honest, probably take the seat base as well for ease of access. And yeah, first things first, we need to attack it all with a wire wheel and see where we get perforated material.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
outside. And then the inside. Not my best work, but for what it is, it'll be sound. Get a bit of primer on it now. And then a light bit of filler, it shouldn't need too much. So I'll crack on with that. That's it. That's that panel replaced in the center of the cab now. A bit of an update. That was actually done ages ago now. I think that was actually done in August, so 4 months ago. And as soon as I did that panel, I found my dream car online. If you go on my Instagram, you'll see it. And I had to put the flatbed back on to go down to Basingstoke to pick the car up and drive it back again. So I didn't actually get all the panels replaced, but that is the one that's right in the middle, so it's the hardest one to get to. I think I'll still have to remove the body in the future to be able to do the corner panels as well, and the ones that go over the chassis rails. But yeah, so that's that panel sorted. And then I think the next video is probably going to be a video of me going down to Basingstoke to pick up the latest project. Yeah, I get rid of one project and then buy another one, so you can never have enough projects. It's now near Christmas, so I'm going to wish you all a happy Christmas. Hope you have a good time, friends, family, good food, all that sort of stuff. And I'll try and not leave it as long to upload the next video. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. It's appreciated. Cheers for now. Bye-bye.